Listen to this before you buy Aprilia RS 457. I was looking to buy a sports bike and there were very limited options. So I chose.
My heart is kind of set on Aprilia RS 457. First thing, it looks fantastic for what it is. I don't think anything looks as pretty as Aprilia RS 457 in that price point.
But then I saw some more hope. Images of a test mule with a very prominent winglet, a single rotor with a 4-piston radial caliper, of course inverted forks, stacked headlights very similar to the 450 GS, BMW's multi-controller unit. We have to talk about the engine. It's a parallel twin, 420cc, producing around 48 horsepower, around 43 to 35 Nm of torque. Interestingly, it has a 135-degree crank and integrated tail lights. Then TVS showed us this. Their Tangent RR concept. It's gonna be sharing the same engine as BMW. To be honest, I have my doubts that the production model is gonna look anywhere similar to this. Then KTM did this. Oh, sorry. This is the one. They released a KTM RC 450 in the Chinese market. Okay, let's analyze this. We get winglets which are easy to break, hard to fix, single projector LED with DRLs. You see how in this frame, the disc rotor and the chain set is kind of in the same side? Because it gets a single-sided swing arm. So now WP has also started manufacturing braking systems alongside adjustable front forks and a steering stabilizer. It has a parallel twin 449cc engine with around 56 horsepower, 39 Nm of torque with a 270-degree crank. But yeah, we might not get this because this motorcycle was only for But yeah, Bajaj and KTM are developing a new engine for India and the global market, but it might produce 47 to 48 horsepower. As Bajaj is gonna export this to the European market, they might have to comply with this bitch. So within the end of this year, there are gonna be a lot more players in this segment. So yeah, my plan is to wait till then.